which they say Chitradurga Trust. Chitradurga Trust. So some people are of the opinion that Chitradurga Trust defines the boundary between Western and Eastern. Understood, na? So this is a little problematic. So if you see some older maps, you will find close point granite to be the Mars. Some people say no, this is the Mars. Followed, na? The basis for this classification is this. All right, Samjha. The basis for this classification if you just look at this map, can you tell me the Western, Eastern, are they looking different? If you see this map, आप लोग देख रहे हैं क्या? पर एंगल बहुत है. If I just you forget this Chitradurga Trust. You see this close packed granite. Close packed granite आप देख के बता पाएंगे how the western part is different from eastern parts. Just on the color scheme. Color scheme देख के आप बता नहीं पाएंगे. मैं कोई स्कूल लड़का को पूछूंगा, अरे बेटा बता ये अलग है इससे, है कि नहीं? तो जरूर बोलेगा अलग है. क्यों अलग है? सर देखिए इस तरफ तो ग्रीन में मार्क किया हुआ है, इस तरफ तो ग्रीन नहीं है, इस तरफ तो येलो है कि नहीं? फिर क्या बोलेगा? तो ये देखिए ये सब रेड पिंक कलर का ज्यादा है, यहाँ तो पिंक कलर बिल्कुल नहीं है, तो येलो कलर का है. These are the differences so far as the color scheme is concerned. Mechanically you can say this part we have a more yellowish, these are called yellowish belts, here greenish belts, and this side the surrounding rocks are little yellow, it is pink. So understand, this is the basic difference between them. Okay, what he says, all these belts, the green color belts, green color belts, green color belts, यहाँ आके वो yellow color belts हो दिया है. These are called cyst belts. These are called cyst belts. So first unit is cyst belt, or these are other name is greenstone belts. Greenstone belts. Which are you आप देखो ये येलो कलर का छोटे देखो डीप येलो I'm talking about ना, डीप येलो. ये तरफ बड़ा आउटक्रॉप हो गया, ये तरफ देखो linear आउटक्रॉप देखो, इधर देखो. But if you go this side, those are green color. Can you see na? These are green color. So this is the first difference. So in both the cases, it is the greenstone belts or the cyst belts. So they are linear belts. Northwest, southeast trending linear belts. Linear belts you understand, na? Very small thickness, but very long strike length. So these are the greenstone belts. So these greenstone belts, they are having these rocks. Ultramafics, mafics, basalts, EIF, very little granite, very little EIF short, ये सब. So 90% or 70% तो ये चला गया, और 10-20% ये चला गया. So these are those, this part we will get only basalt, ultramafic, dunites, peridotites, pyrogenites, those things we will get here. इधर भी वही है. Cyst belt and greenstone belts, this side and that side have similar rocks, but clear na? But in the western Dharwar crater, they are very little metamorphosed or no metamorphism, but in the eastern Dharwar crater, they are amphibolite. amphibolite. यहाँ कोई मेटामॉर्फिज्म भी है नहीं. You go there, you simply get पिलो basalt. पिलो ऐसे ही बैठे हैं. अंबाजी को एक दो जगह पिलो देखा आपने? नहीं देखा. ऐसे से राउंड राउंड पिलो सब बैठे हैं इस तरह. Dunates will be very fresh. Spinifex textures will be all radiating crystals. You will find within them. Chromite deposits. So they are part of ultramafic complex. So these are the things you will get within the schist beds or the greenstones. No metamorphism. Understood na? This is very important. Why there is no metamorphism? Though they are Archean rocks, they are not metamorphosed. Whereas proterozoic rocks are metamorphosed. The age of Eastern Ghat is how much? They are all proterozoics, but they show granulite facies metamorphism. But Archean rocks, even though they are all 3.7, 3.4 billion year old, but they are not metamorphosed. Only Eastern Horror pattern. That is why this color difference is given. This green color shows little higher grade metamorphism, and these are not metamorphosed. Followed na? The character of this greenstones. Greenstone means is this. They are dominated by the igneous rocks, basic igneous rocks. That is why it is called a greenstone. Why they are called greenstone species? They first of all they show very low grade metamorphism, and secondly they are dominated by this basic rocks, basic and ultra basic rocks. Hardly any sedimentary component except this BIF. Very little sedimentary component. We will read detailed stratigraphic column. I will show you. But first of all, you just understand what are these beds. So these beds have different names that we will discuss. But overall, these are the schist beds. Understood, na? Now, you see yellow color here, light yellow color here, and pink color here. These are not schist beds. Schist beds are occurring within it. These schist beds, they are occurring within it. Schist beds are occurring within it. So this is the host rock, or the country rock, you can say. Understood, na? So those country rock or the host rock, they are called. So second unit is peninsular gneiss. Peninsular gneiss, very nice structure with lot of foldings, earrings, migmatites. What is a migmatite? Migmatite किसको बोलते हैं? हाँ? Complex. Mixed rock. What from what? Partial melted rock and mixed पर कैसे हो गया? हाँ? Anatomics बताओ थोड़ा clearly बताओ. See original something else, maybe basic rock, maybe sedimentary rock, which has been partially melted because of high temperature. Partially melted. As a result, what happened? The unmelted part remains as paleosome. They remain as dark bands, So you will get in a migmatite a dark band. Yes, sir. So these are called paleosomes. And you will get a melted part, Melted part is white in color. These are melted part. Then again you will get one dark layer. So paleosomes, this is called neosome. So alternate paleosome and neosomes, they constitution migmatite. Migmatite means partial melted rock, iron. So partial melted where? This part is melted part. Neolith. So this is your Paleolith, old or Protolith. Paleosome, neosome could understand that. So migmatite is the major rock in the peninsular gneiss. Now this rock constitutes these areas. Understood, na? A migmatite or peninsular gneiss rock. Now here in the eastern horror pattern, to follow this point, these are though the peninsular gneisses, but in the eastern horror pattern, are you able to follow so far? In the western horror pattern, So the rocks are, वैसे drawing करके देखा था आपको, so that you have a something picture in the mind. So these are typical peninsular gneissic rock. But in the eastern Dharawar pattern, what happens, if you go to this side, ये part में, ये तो होगा, ऐसे ऐसे तो है ही, ऐसे तो gneissic rocks are there, but in between will be cut by a very large batholithium granite. Origin of peninsular gneiss here, it is there, but this is included by granites. This is not gneissic, not gneissic. What I am writing, just please remember, not gneissic. Batholithic intrusions, very coarse grain. Gneissic means there will be medium grain, lot of bendings will be there, but these are not gneissic. So these granites are equivalent to this closed bed granite. Closed bed granite you are seeing ना? The center of closed bed granite आप देख रहे हैं? इसका equivalent मतलब same time it has intruded this peninsular gneiss. ये पूरा ऐसे आ गया पूरा this area में. As a result, what happened? The original peninsular gneissic rock, has been now a double rock. Gneissic is there as well as granites are there. That is why he has given a different color to it. So here you will not get so much gneissic component, which you will get in case of western Dharawar pattern. This is more of gneissic. There is little granite component here. Which granite? Close bed equivalent granites. Understood? Na? What is the difference between western Dharawar pattern and eastern Dharawar pattern? These are the basic differences. That is why this classification has been done. Observing the grade of metamorphism on the greenstone beds and the association of these close bed equivalent granites. Close bed granite का एज मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. This is 2530 million. So इसकी इक्विवेलेंट सब इसमें बैठे हैं. इधर एक प्लूटोन है, ये प्लूटोन है, ये प्लूटोन है, ऐसे प्लूटोन करके बैठे हैं. So overall, it is given a different color to it. Otherwise, the host is peninsular gneiss. It is an intrusive. It is an intrusive to the peninsular gneiss. So this is the difference between the western Dharawar pattern and the eastern Dharawar pattern. कौन सा? हाँ, ये येलो, ये पिंक से, ये deep yellow, green से. Only difference is this. Followed ना? Now this greenstone is no metamorphism. No metamorphism. This greenstone is little hard, not granulites. Little hard. Then this peninsular gneiss is absolutely gneissic. No granity component even. But this peninsular gneiss has a lot of granity component. समझा ना? These are the basic differences. Now, what he says, ये जो जितना बेल्ट आप देख रहे हैं ग्रीनस्टोन बेल्ट, all north west south east trending. North west south east trending. ये टाइम ना? अब देखो, जैसे मैं ड्रॉ करता हूँ. छोटा सा ड्रॉ करता हूँ. ऐसे. ये आपका क्लोज बेड है. ऐसा सब linear beds are there. North west, south east, trending, schist beds are greenstone beds. Greenstone are there. Understood na? So one point just I forgot to tell you. This peninsular gneiss. This is also known as tonalite bronzemite gneisses. PH first ना? Bronzemite gneisses. Tonalite bronzemite gneisses. ठीक है ना? The peninsular gneiss, this reflects the composition. Can you tell me what is a tonalite and bronzemite? Plagioclase. So these granites are plagioclase. Which are this? peninsular gneiss. But now the granite which you are seeing is the close bed granite, you know. The close bed granite which you see, that is a potassic granite. This is the difference. Peninsular gneiss is a tonalite trondhjemite gneiss, whereas this close bed granite is a potassic granite. Potassic granite में कौन सा मिनरल रहता है? नाम तो बता. ऑर्थोक्लेन्स, माइक्रोग्लिम्स, सैनिडियम. बट tonalite trondhjemite gneiss में तो प्लाजियोक्लेस कौन सा प्लाजियोक्लेस? लैब्राडोराइट. लैब्राडोराइट कौन सा प्लाजियोक्लेस? Albite. Albite में नहीं, oligonucleate, andesite, that sort of thing, you know. Albite is a potassic feldspar, also is an alkali feldspar. Albite is an alkali feldspar. It can occur within the granite, within this. But if you are talking about tonalite trondhjemite gneisses, it should be calcium rich. It cannot be sodic rich. That is one. So understood, na? The tonalite trondhjemite gneisses are the principal rock types of the peninsular gneiss, whereas close bed granite is microcline, sanidium rich granite. Basic difference है. फिर भी हम डील करेंगे because it has its significance. I will tell you. But let me finish one very important point, you know. Now you see these belts, you see they are running north west south east. ये देखो north west south east आ रहे हैं. North west south east, you are understanding ना? ऐसा. This is north. The belts are running north west south east. ऐसे ऐसे आ रहे हैं. Now from here you see इधर आप देखो, इधर ये white patches can you see ना? ये एक white patch दिखाया इधर, ये एक white patch दिखाया, ये एक white patch दिखाया, इधर एक white patch दिखाया. Can you see this thing? ये आके from here, you know, here I will not draw this line. बड़ा patch develop होता है. This is another rock type. Another rock type. White patches can you see na? This patch, small patch is there. This is an elongated patch. This is elongated patch. This is elongated patch. Chennai is somewhere here. This is somewhere Mangalore. Mangalore is somewhere here. I'll draw this point. This is Chennai. Chennai. This is Mangalore. Bangalore. Bangalore is somewhere here. Huh? Bangalore is somewhere here. Understood, na? So these rocks are charnokites. This is the other rock type. Charnokites. Which are? This is the charnokite. This is a charnokite. This is a charnokite. This is a charnokite. This is a charnokite. Follow this point, na? Now, yes, sir. Charnokite hills. So these charnokite hills, they define what type of metamorphism? The granulite phase is metamorphism. They define granulite phase is metamorphism. Follow this point. अब यहाँ से आप, if I just ask you, you just start walking from this place to this place. No metamorphism. धीरे धीरे आप इस तरफ आओगे ना, यह ग्रानुलाइट फेज में मेटामॉर्फिज्म. So all along the southern margin of Dharwar crater, you have a belt. You have a belt of granulate rocks. ये तो low grade metamorphic belts है. ये high grade rocks है. Granulites, charnokites. What do you mean by charnokite? Huh? OPX bearing what? OPX bearing granite. Understood, na? See, can you define these two things? What is a charnokite and what is an andromite? These are two rocks which are very similar. Charnokites are OPX bearing granite. And this is a OPX bearing tonalite. Understood, na? One is plagioclase dominated, another is orthoclase dominated. If it is orthoclase dominated, it is a charnokite. That is why we say OPX during granite.